show you guys how to do this look right here. It's super easy, super simple. It doesn't take a long time, and you can see that gradient effect. You can see that dark to lighter transitions. So we're going to be doing this look. Stay tuned if you want to know how I did this look. It's quick, easy, and simple. Super easy look, quick. It doesn't take a long time, and we're only using one palette. Did you say one palette? Yeah, that's right. We're only using one palette, and we're going to be using the Illuminati X Isa or ISA, however you say it, palette by Isabella Bedoya. And now I got this from last month's Lashy Box. This one palette. This was requested by someone in the comments for my last video of my Lashy Box to do a look with this palette, and I am going to do a look with this palette. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this look. Fluffy brush, a more dense brush just to pack it a little bit, and we're also going to be using a little flat-headed brush or a liner brush to work. And you're going to need a liner. You can use a black liner, but I'm going to use this liner by Maybelline. I got it from the Dollar Tree, okay? Don't judge me. You know how I like being cheap and affordable. So I got it from the Dollar Tree. It's from Maybelline drugstore brand, and this is the color Rustic Terracotta. So Rustic Terracotta, we're going to be using this. It is a pencil liner. Make sure that you do have a primer on. I'm going to use a fluffy brush, and we're going to dip it right into the color Rose. Apply it right here, right to our lid, and we're going to apply it little by little. So we're going to build up that color. We're going to blend that same color out. I haven't grabbed any more eyeshadow. We're going to keep blending that out. However, now we're going to go back in the palette and grab more of that rose color. So we're going to do this a couple of times until we build the eyeshadow all the way up. For hooded eyes, we're going to go over our crease right here higher than we normally do because we want that eyeshadow to extend and make it look more dimensional. If you don't have hooded eyes, it's fine. Keep doing the same because we're going to build that color up to look gradient. Go in circular motions light-handedly and keep pulling up. You want to keep pulling that eyeshadow up with a light hand when you get to the top. Pulling it up and then pull upwards, downwards, and slowly pull it up. Now we're going to grab a little bit more of a denser brush. I just want to get a little more color. We're going to grab this right here and dip into the same color Rose. Pack it on the lid and make it a little bit more deeper. We're going to blend it right here in the lid. Pulling down right at the lid, swooping inward from the inner corner and the outer corner. We want this to be darker here and then gradually get lighter. Just one more time in that same color. The reason you don't want to put so much eyeshadow, like just pack it all on, you know, that whole dark with the whole bang right there, is because you don't want it to look like somebody hit you. You want it to look nice and smooth and grady. You want a flawless look, so you don't want to grab a bunch of shadow and just smack it on and then blend it out. No, you can do that sometimes, but it's better just to keep building that color up there. That way you can try to fix a mistake versus you smacking the whole eyeshadow on there, and then it's kind of a little harder to blend and harder to get rid of that mistake. So let's make this easier on yourself and build that color on. Inward from your corners. Go a little bit above, higher than your crease, just a little bit. This is my crease right here, as you can see. I'm going to go a little bit above that. Blend it upwards, just like so. Grab back our fluffy brush, light hand. So right here we're going to go in circles, and we're going to start pulling upwards back here so we can get a nice smooth. Not just go like this, we're going to pull like this, upwards. Starting from the back, going to the middle. And then we're going to do the same reverse. Very light, pull it, and then pull it back. And the next color we're going to use is June, right here. And we're going to use our finger to do this. So we're going to apply it to our lid, tap. So we're just going to tap that on. You can be generous with this, you can grab more. It's shiny as you want to make it, but I like to be really shiny. I like to shine bright like the stars. So it's a very simple look, yet cute. I have a little bit more. It's very simple. There's nothing to it. It's not hard. Pull it all the way to the outer corner edge like this. Don't go too high, just stay on your lid. Well, that's all to it. And next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our liner. Simple eyeliner on the top. We're just going to grab a line and drag it across. And at the edge, we're just going to do a tiny tail. So pull out and then pull it in. And for hooded eyes, you want to make sure to stay close to your lash line as possible for your hooded eye to do a tight line. We're going to grab the eyeshadow Addy and we're going to use a liner brush or a flat-headed brush, and we're just going to dab the color right in there, apply it right to our lower lash line. Pull a little bit close to the liner in the back, just a bit. Apply to your lash line just like so. Going to grab a little bit of that rose, apply it right to the outer corners like so, and then swoop it inward. Kind of blend those together just a bit. Going to want to do your mascara and then put on your lashes, and we are done with this look. Our lashes right here, these are Ayani. Let it dry for a few seconds, depending on your type of glue. So we're gonna apply that. I'm gonna apply a little bit up to the lower lash line. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any comments or anything else, drop them down below, anything else I should try, and I'll see you guys next time.